Welcome back to the kitchen. Oh, what a life here, and today we're doing the keto-friendly, no-name meatballs. We're going to start it right now. Alright, well, welcome to this video here. We're doing no-name meatballs, which is awesome for our keto simple diet and super quick and easy to make. 6 meatballs, 3 carbs, 1 dietary fiber, so it's only 2 carbs, and 0 sugar. You can't go wrong. So I'm going to make this for 2 people, so we're going to do 12 meatballs total in a microwave safe bowl that we have here. So let's get this in there. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's put a few of these back. And of course, you always wash your hands before you're doing any type of food. Boom, there's 12. Just take some paper towel and place it over. And now let's go over to the microwave. For 12 of these, we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. And it's going to be, oh, so good. Boom. See you in 3 minutes. Oh, It's time. Now, put on something so you don't burn your hands or nothing unless you're Superman. Look at that. There's a little liquid in there that came out of the meatballs. I mean, that is amazing. Let's go back to our counter, shall we? Now, we're going to do 6 apiece. So I'm just going to easily scoop these out. Put them on the plate. Now, it depends what you want to put with them. You could just eat the meatballs right away, and that ain't no problem. Or, completely keto-friendly, 100% is your mustard. You could even get your fats by doing avocado oil mayo. This is perfect. Now, if you don't mind to take the extra carbs, I do love a little bit of ranch. It just gives it a great flavor, and I absolutely recommend you trying one of them. These two are obviously way better. The ranch, a little worse, still good. Now, pro tip. After you're done, take the paper towel that we used, and we're going to soak up some of this liquid. So it's way easier to clean. You know, I'm getting all of that out of there. So we end up with just simply that. Super easy to wash. Put it away. We're done. And you're ready to eat. If you're going to do more than the 6 meatballs, you're going to do a little more. You may want to do 4 minutes. But for this, with a salad, 6 is more than enough. Your carb count's low. Your sugar is 0. Highly recommend it. No name, great product, meatballs.